my dear students. You are all welcome in my Pathshala. I myself, Subramitra Thakur from IQ City, Durgapur. And already I have taken a lot of classes. Now today is the second part of the exponent, I mean square and square roots. Right? So what is square? If the number is multiplied by that number itself, is called the square. That means if I multiply a into a is equal to a square. 5 into 5 is equal to 5 square, means 25. This is called the square, right? And what is square root? If I do a square root of a number, I will get a number. When that number is multiplied by that number, then it will come to the same number. Suppose if I do then 100 root over, that is the 10 into 10. So it is a square root, and that's why for these two number of tens, pair of tens, I will get 1. And the square root of 100 is equal to 10. So how to do a square? It is very simple, but I will show the different type of square root and square how we will do. This is if I consider a fraction, that is 1 by 7 square. What will be? 1 into 1 divided by 7 into 7. That is 1 by 49. Right? 1.5 square decimal. That is 1.5 by 110. That is 5, 3, 2 square. That is 3 into 3 by 2 into 2. That is 9 by 4. This is square. Right? But how will do the square root? To do the square root, there is a two process. There are two processes for the square root. First process is the by prime factorization. By prime factorization. Like that, I will show by prime factorization. This is root over 144. How will it go? So I will see what are the prime factors of 144. 144 a prime factor if it is 2 into 2 into yes. So for 2 and 2, I will get 1, 2. I will take 1, 2. For the pair of 3, I will take 1, 3. For pair of 2, I will take 2. That is, this comes to the 12. So root over 144 is equal to 1 by 12. So suppose if I take a mixed fraction, 6 1 by 4, what will be the square root? So 6 24, it is the 25 by 4. That means equal to 5 into 5 by 2 into 2. So for the pair of 5, I will take 1 5. For the pair of 2, I will take 1 2. Right? So if I take a decimal, root over 2.25, how I will take? That is that root over 225 divided by 10, 100, because there is decimal, after decimal there are 2 digits, so I will take the 100. So 225 means 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 by 10 into 10. That is 3 3 for 2 number 3, I will take 1 3. For pair of 5, I will take 1 5. That is by 10. That is 15 by 10. That is equal to 1.5. This is the process to make the square root by the prime factorization method. And second method is the division method. This is very classical method. For division method, how we will do? For it is a prime factorization method, and second is by division method. By division method. division method, suppose 644009 is such a big number, right? I will take the square root of this number by the division method. How will do? So you just write 64009. First, you make a pair from the right side to and come to the left side, from right to left, right to left. So this is pair, this is pair, right? First, you marking this pair from the right to left and make a line here. And suppose I will divide this number by such a number that the first digit 6 in square form means 1 is to 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So 4 will accommodate here. 3 is to 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 is bigger than 6. So 4, I can take the 4 only. So it is a 4, 2. Then this pair will come 40, right? And I will take this number as a double. That is 2 into 2. This is 4. Then this divide by such a number, it will the number is the multiplied of that number. So I will take the 5 here. So 5, 225. It is like that. So I will take the minus again. It is a 15. Now this 09 will come here. This pair 09. Again this 25 will come here in double. Means it is a 50. Right? Whenever this number will come, it is a double. 25 will come with the double. Now there is a 9. So if I take a number and that multiplied by that number, right? So for 9, 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. There is a 2 process 9. But 7 is very big. 7 will be, if I take the 7, it will be big. So I will take the 3. 3 3s are 9 and 350, 15. 0. Right? So root over 64009 is equal to 253. Answer. Right? This is the division method. So you can practice this division method and prime factorization method, and I will do some 3 mathematics, which is a word problem related to square root. That is the number 1 question. What is the least number multiplied by 300, which is 396? Which is the, what is the least number multiplied by 396, which will be perfect square. Which will be perfect square. I will take the 396 is the number. So first I will do the prime factorization of 396. 396 2 1 2 99 3 33 again 3 11. So 396 I will write here. 396 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Right? Question is, what is the least number which is multiplied with this number 396? It will make a perfect square. So here is the 2 is to 2 is a pair, 3 is the pair, but only 11 is there, right? So another 11 is needed to make a perfect square. Then it will be a pair. So I will take the extra 11. So the answer will be if I multiplied 396 by 11, it will make a perfect square. Right? Did you clear? So here answer will be the 11. Now again in the same question what is the least number multiplied by 396 which will make a perfect square? It is not multiplied. I change this multiplied by the divided. What is the least number divided by 396? Divided to 396 to make a perfect square. So 396. So here to make the 396 a perfect square, so here 11 is the extra. So if I divide this number by 11, then it will cut. So it will come in the pair. So if the 396 divided by 11, it will make the perfect square. Right? These two. So if it is least number multiplied, if it is least number divided, you make a perfect square, prime factorization, and you will see that which number is the single, and that single number multiplied or divided to make this perfect square. Right? And another question, this is also a square root. So that in a class there are 484 students. 484 students. 484 students arrange 484 students arrange. Question is arrange 484 students in such a way the number of students are same in row and column. Right? What is row? What is column? So if I arrange all the students, if I arrange this type, so from this to this direction, it is the row. This is row. And if I arrange this student is like that, then it will be the column. This will be the column. So question is the number of student in row and number of student in column, both will be the same. So in this question, so I will get the number that after square root of this 484. So square root, the number will get there after square root of 484. 484 square root. So then after prime factorization 484 2 4 2 2 1 2 1 11 11. So 484 is equal to root over 2 into 2 into 11 into 11. So for this pair I will take 2 only. For this pair I will take 11 only. So it will come 22. So here is the 22 student will make will be placed in the row and 22 placed in the column. In each and every column 22 state, in each and every row there is the 22 student. Right? So this type of question may come from the square and square root. So I am finishing this square and square root. In the next class I will take the cube and cube roots. Right? So you will do the practice. You will practice this mathematics, and if you get any confusion, you must message me to I will make it clear with free consultation. Right? Okay. Bye bye.